What's going on, everybody? I'm Nathan, and welcome back to...
Start over.
Huh?
Because I was in the middle of doing this.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Nathan, and welcome back to another video of the PokePham channel, where we spread positivity one Pokemon card pack at a time. That's right, Jacqueline's here. We are here for a new video, a new challenge. But first off, say hello to Jacqueline.
Hello, Jacqueline.
Hello, not you. Talking to them, the PokePham fam. And of course, we got Charmander here. Let's get started. This challenge, we're gonna jump right into it. You saw in the thumbnail, we got this toxic waste. Look. What? It won't focus, so I'll just show you. I'll show you down here. We got that toxic waste hazardlessly We got three of them. Yes. Hazardlessly sour candy. You love what? Hazardlessly sour candy. You love what?
I love how we're gonna be putting toxic waste.
Toxic waste. So.
That's so great.
That's right. We got this from Daiso. It's a Japanese store with tiny little stuff they sell and make snacks. Their security measurements for keeping things clean are very good, right? You have to have a basket. Like, if you leave the basket outside, you grab it, you walk in, and you have to wear a mask, right? It's very good. They clean non-stop, so it's really good.
I love Daiso.
This was hidden in the check lane, very bottom. I don't know where else you can get this. Where else can you get this?
I feel like it's just random stores.
Random stores. Let's see.
But
say goodbye to Charmander. Charmander. Okay, so this challenge, well, we've done 2 challenges already in this video. The first one involved Blazing Wings against Yizzy Pokemon. Shout out to Yizzy Pokemon. The second challenge was Fire Noodles with my sister. Shout out to my sister if she's watching this. And that was extremely spicy. Oh my goodness. And now this one, we got Toxic Waste.
It looked really good though.
It was delicious.
I love Fire Noodles.
It was good. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll leave it down below in the description. Check it out. Go check it out. Watch those videos. They're very entertaining. And now we're hitting the sour side of food. How this works. Okay, so we got 10 booster packs here. We take turns. You want to pick them now?
Yes.
So go ahead and pick your 5. Where we take turns. We show the code card. If it's green, you stop what you're doing. You grab one of these pieces of candies. You put it in your mouth. You start eating it. Well, you don't chew it. You just let it sit there so you can experience the sourness. And then after that, you start going through the cards and seeing what you get. All right?
I like sour candy. It's just I'm worried about eating multiple ones at once.
Right. So let's say she gets a green code card the first time. She has to put the candy in, right? Then it's my turn. I don't get it. Then it's her turn. The candy still didn't fully dissolve in her mouth, but she still got another green code card. She has to put another sour candy in her mouth.
My cheeks already hurt thinking about it.
So I'll take a look here while she's picking her 5. We got toxic. You got your 5 already?
Yeah.
Toxic waste, hazardously sour candy. I can't speak. I cannot say it. Look right here. It says, if it can focus. There you go. How long can you keep one in your mouth? If you could keep it 60 seconds, you're a full Toxie head. 45 seconds, you're a Toxie wannabe. 30 seconds, you're a quiet baby. 15, you're a total wuss. Hey, this is all for fun, okay? This is all for fun. We got 5 pieces in this. So I made sure, and I got 3 just to be safe. This is from manufactured in Indianapolis.
Ooh, shout out to Indianapolis.
Yeah, all right, let's do this.
Thanks for giving us toxic waste.
Let's do this. Say hello to Lego Charizard and his friends.
Hello.
All right, you can go first as I open this for you, okay?
Okay.
You got your 5?
Sorry. Making
you don't realize you always like hit them at least once.
I know. It's how I show love.
All right, let me open this at least.
I'm going to open the first pack of Sword and Shield, Level Clash. How exciting.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do it right today, right?
Yes, you can do it right.
Alright.
No, you gotta show them. You gotta show them the code card.
Oh, code card first.
What color it is. So you flip it over. Oh, you gotta flip it over. It's white, so you're safe. You're safe. All right.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Store the energy. We'll store them together.
Okay.
Luxio.
Draclo.
Yeah.
Bronzong.
Yeah, Bronzong.
Phantom Bronzer. Toxel. Oh, I love Toxel. Applin. Galarian Darumaka. Satu. And
Oh,
Ooh,
Inteleon V. Not bad.
Oh, I love
Not bad
him.
at all.
He's
Here
so
you go.
Cute. I chose Sobble as my starter.
In Sword and Shield, you did.
Mhm.
You did. I have not played the expansion yet because I've been playing a different video game.
Arc. I know.
Yes, I have.
You just haven't just been playing. You've been living it.
I've been living it. I have been living
He
it.
lives, breathes Arc right now.
I thoroughly enjoy it. I thoroughly enjoy that video game.
All
Let's see here.
So I had a white code card, so I'm safe for the first round.
I got a green code card.
So you have to eat it
I do.
first.
Okay, so.
Oof.
Okay.
Oof. My mouth is watering for you. Whenever I watch anyone eat like sour things, I automatically like get like that tingling feeling in your cheeks when you salivate.
I don't think it wants me to. I was working. Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Everything's falling.
Explosion of
Everything's
candy.
falling. Okay, there's little pieces in here. Wait, there's more than 5. They gave me way more than 5.
Ooh.
That's fine. Toxic waste. Watermelon. Here we go.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
It doesn't look. It looks like a sour head.
I want you to do zoom ins on your face if you do like the sour face.
I can't get this out.
You can't hide your face. How is it? Are you a total wuss?
I got it in my hand.
Oh.
It's not that
I'm
bad.
like salivating for you.
It's not that bad.
It's not bad?
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Let's
It's
see.
like, so you have like
Draft book. Drink book.
multiple ones.
Glam Meowth. Surskit. Magikarp. Meditite. I'll try and get it focused. Nilsuri. Reverse Hollow Dracloak. And a Mandibuzz.
Ooh.
Mandibuzz, you're up.
Ooh.
You up, girl?
I'm up.
It's not that bad.
Not that bad?
I think we need to increase it. Take 2.
Take 2?
Take 2. It's not bad at all.
Oh,
Oh, you're so safe.
Oh, I really wanted one though. That code card.
Wow. It's not that bad at all. Whoa, wait.
2. Oh, I did it wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, guys.
I need to be sorry.
Yeah. We have Lampent, it's a lamp Pokemon, Galamine, Bronzong, Caterpie, Galarian Corsola,
We gotta go
Liquid.
too.
Shinx, Roly-Goly, Caterpie.
Oh, 2 in a row. Jeez Louise.
Bolton V. Oh, cute.
How we do this?
Wow.
If you get an ultra rare, the other person has to eat one.
Okay.
So should I eat 2 right now?
Yeah, you should.
Alright, deal.
Well, I'm on a roll. This never happens for Team Jacqueline.
Move
This
that.
is crazy.
We got blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
That's the one I want to go for.
I'm gonna open
I
it
love
first,
blue
and if it's
candy.
green, I'm putting 3 in my mouth.
I want one just to have one now. It's like the one day I can eat candy,
It's white.
I become the luckiest person in this game.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, I knocked him down this time. Should I put these 2 in my mouth before I do it?
Yes.
Yep.
And then you can read it while you're while you have sour candy in your mouth.
Can you help me take that out?
Yes, of
Thank
course.
you.
It's sticky.
Yeah, it's really sticky.
You can fast forward.
I feel like
opening. We're so slow.
yeah, it's really slow.
Yeah. Yeah. How is it? Show the people your face.
Oh.
Oh, my mouth. How is it?
It's worse.
Is there?
It's worse when you put 2. It's a Luha, go let me off. Next got Meditite. Must be card about. Oh, Cafe Bus, a good card.
Café.
There you go.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
I have a lot.
You ready?
I have a lot.
Oh. Well, I
Here
really
you go.
want to try one. I want the blue one.
The blue
You have
one?
a blue one?
Yeah, blue one.
Yes.
Mm.
Here you go. Code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, then put them off up.
Huh?
Go
Oh,
ahead.
okay. Okay. Okay.
After the initial.
Wait, I have to have 2, right?
2, that's right, 2. You want another blue
I
one?
love candies. No, just any other.
Lemon.
One's fine.
Can I open this for you?
Yes, please. Here we go. I've had this before, but I only had like one.
Put this one in there too. Yeah, back. Go ahead. Not that bad.
Oh,
No chewing,
it's
just
cake time. I
and it
can't
kicks
talk.
in. Go. Come
Oh,
on.
this is gross.
Go. 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 It's part of the ew. It's part of the challenge. Get over here. It's part of the challenge.
I'm choking. Hurry.
No, you're not. Come on. Easy. Come on, this is for fun, okay?
Cargo bug.
Just
Metapod.
don't let the saliva just.
I'm sweating. Look at my sweat. Wow, it's fast. One will be Bullpick. Oh, my favorite. Phantom. Galarian Farfetch. Squirvet. Hatterene.
Magmortar.
Magmortar.
Not bad. We each got 3 packs left, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Oh, you have 2 left. You went first. That's fine.
Oh, yeah. After you get through the initial...
Here you go.
I'll get your candy for you.
I didn't even finish the 3 that are in my mouth.
Well, once you get past, like, the
It gets
really
sugary.
sour
It gets sugary.
part, it's really sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's yummy afterwards. Okay. Did you get a green one yet?
That's fine. No. Doesn't matter. Give it to me.
Okay, okay. Here you go, Mr. Pham. Here you go. It's good now. Show the face. It, like, takes a second to settle in. Because, like... Is it bad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the apple? The lemon.
Lemon. Clipper.
It's not fair that you're wearing a
Metapod?
hat. No one can see your face.
Very far-fetched. Cone edge. Simple. Willoughby. Galarian Corsola. Versatile Power Sand. Exhaustion. Yup. I've got no ultra rares.
I know, I'm so sorry. Alright. Do it. I can't. Ha!
Lucky.
Save.
Why are you getting all the good ones?
Oh no, I dropped
You
it.
dropped it. Fly away card.
Fly away, card. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like I'm
Don't
going
damage
slow. I need to go
No,
faster.
you're okay.
Alright.
You know this?
Heliolisk, Burning
Burning
Scarf, Indeedee, Toxel, Galarian,
Galarian,
Mr. Mime, Snover, Darumaka,
Durulodon.
Durudalon. Whoa! So
Alright.
pretty. I like the hollowiness.
Let's do this.
Oh no!
What drop?
Everything.
That's fine.
No, that was me. Oof.
Alright, give me another 2. It's hard to talk.
The one day I can eat candy, I'm winning.
I know I'm not talking as much in this video, but it's hard to talk.
Yeah, because it feels like you can't even open your mouth.
Yeah. Here goes.
This is probably not that great for your tummy.
I know I need to take some. I need to take Tums or something after this.
Eat some
Tums.
crackers to soak it all up. I'm just enjoying my candy now. How's it going? Here it comes. Here it comes. He's lost his ability. Okay? Is it burning?
It's well survivor. Philosopher. That's sour. Oh, that's sour.
I'm salivating for you.
That's sour. Go.
Is that?
Wow, we're almost done.
I know. And I only had 2. So hopefully this one I can have more candy. So I could join you in your pain.
You do more bush back?
Good. You look like you're in pain though.
Get Get wrecked.
Someone is getting angry.
I'm not getting angry.
Alright,
It's off
candy
for fun.
first?
Yeah.
I think the lemon ones are really sour, right? I don't know, they're all sour.
I might add these in the giveaway.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be fun, actually.
Speaking of, we're almost... Pardon my mouth full of sour toxic waste. We're almost at 250 subscribers. Come on, help reach 250. Share our videos, PokePham Fam videos to your friends, your family. Get them to subscribe. Get them to hit those like buttons. And we'll have a giveaway, alright? We'll have an awesome giveaway. Go ahead.
Let them see us suffer in these videos. Got 2 of them. It takes a second. I'm sorry. We
You don't need to be sorry.
make such awful candy noises.
Hone edge. Oh, that's the last pack. Wallaby.
I got a storm in my cheeks. I can't talk. Okay. Helio.
Toxicity. Oh, you didn't do the water. That's okay. You didn't do it.
I didn't do
That's
it.
okay. More please go.
Well, we have no water energy. I got too excited
You
about
got
the
too
candy.
excited. You did.
And I forgot. I totally forgot.
This is a green. Oh, it's not.
Mm.
Yes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sour makes me sweat.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it does?
Yeah. Hey!
Medicine. Pokeball. Guava. Bumblebee. Phantom. Drippy. Verse Hollow Ice Cube. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, let's go. Copper Jar.
Wow.
Copper Jar V. Full art.
Wow.
Full art Copper Jar V. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Look at that beauty. You know
I
what
was
that
still
means?
looking at this guy, and then
Ice Cube?
I didn't even see him. Wow.
Copper Jar V. We don't have this. Get it added to our Rebel Clash journey. I almost forgot what set we're on. But with that being said,
This kind of fogs your mind.
you gotta get 2.
Me?
Cause I got it also rare.
Oh.
Full art. Wait, full art. So that should be 3.
You just made those rules up.
It's the PokePham Fam channel. Come on.
3?
3.
Well, I do have to catch up, so I guess I will.
You gotta end with a bang.
Yeah, end it with a bang.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to end it with a bang.
Fine.
Really? We just have to eat the rest of it.
Alright, we'll finish this off.
Yeah. How many?
So you
is
need
left?
3, right?
Mhm.
We got.
So I get 3 and you get 2.
There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, I get 2.
Why you only have 4?
Yeah, and then to finish this off, when we put it in our mouth, try to make a normal face, like
As long as possible.
as long as possible.
But I have an unfair advantage. But it's okay. I'm gonna win anyways. All right, I'm ready.
It's so sticky in there.
Oh, this is sticky.
Yeah, I'm throwing
I
these 2
think
into the
everything-
giveaway. If you guys want it,
They don't want it.
they don't want it.
No, but you're gonna want it, and then you're gonna want to try this challenge too. It's pretty fun.
Oh, there's plastic stuck
It's
on it.
really fun seeing the facial expressions.
Really?
Yeah, especially yours.
You hold mine real quick.
Okay. Mmm.
They're really
They look like
sticky.
gushers.
All right, try to finish
Alright.
what I have. Oh, you still have some in your mouth.
Yeah.
All right, well that's part of it. Okay.
Okay,
Alright,
I don't
so
have
when
more
you put
room, but okay.
Yes, you do. These are tiny. Ready?
Look, I've got to move them to my
No
cheeks.
matter. Okay, when we put these in our mouth, try to make. All right, try to keep a normal face as long as you can, like a neutral face, neutral.
Okay.
No smiling, no frowning, no. Okay, no, nothing like that. Just neutral like this. Watch. Let's practice our neutral face.
I'm dead inside.
Okay, ready? You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And at this very moment was when the sour power of toxic waste completely annihilated our memory to play the OOEE game. I want to spit out so bad. I want to spit out so bad. I want to spit out so bad. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Feature comment right here. Thank you so much for commenting. I love replying to comments. I love you guys. I like communicating, spreading positivity.
Oh, it burned.
Goodbye comment. Time for PokePham positive. You ready? PokePham positive quote. Alright, positive quote for the video. Wherever you go,
No matter what the weather.
always bring your own sunshine. Always bring your own sunshine.
I look like a squovit.
Squovits are taking over the world.
Squovit.
Anyway, my friend, thank you again for watching this video. Let's try to get this video to 15.7 likes. Can we do that? 15.7. Alright, 15.7. And we're very close again to 250 subscribers.
Share it
When
with your friends, your family, and your pets.
That's right. We're almost to 250 subscribers. When we hit 250 subscribers, I'm doing an Ultra Ball giveaway, which is right there. And in addition to that Ultra Ball, I have a package of personalized Pokemon products, official Pokemon cards, official Pokemon stuff, just a bunch of stuff. And I'm gonna throw in these two, might as well, right? So you can taste them and see what I'm experiencing, what we're experiencing, right?
You feel the burn.
That's right, the burn. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe out there. Spread positivity, my friend. You got anything else to say to the PokePham Fam?
No. I love
I hope
you
to see.
guys. Yeah, I love you guys.
I hope to see you, just you, in the next video. Peace out.